So hi Anudeep, how are you?
Yeah, I'm good, sir. How are you doing?
I'm good. I'm good. So I think I cannot ask you how you're feeling to get placed because now you are here for the replacement. But I'm really interested to know about your journey with the NG networks. If you remember, long time back when you joined us, and unfortunately we missed your feedback that time. But yes, now I want your feedback in that way because I think this is the right time. You are the right person who can tell us like the day you joined and got placed and worked. So you have a better understanding of the journey. So let's start from the day one. How do you come to know about NG networks?
Yeah, when I want to go into a networking domain, I was searching on LinkedIn and I came to, I went through many kind of pages and training, trainings also. Means I went through, but one of the most, when NG Networks gave me the trust and the value so that I came to know that NG Networks I can move to the networking domain where I can switch my career from one non-technical to networking field like networking career. So I joined NG Networks and the team there are obviously motivated and give me some inspiration.
So you came for the Hyderabad branch first.
Yes,
So you came to the other to whom you meet first.
I met Namtan, and then the team. There is a few other team members also. They also gave me the brief of how the networking domain will be and how the process of training process going, duration and everything.
So
Um,
why did you find that confidence with the NG networks?
the kind of schedule, the training schedule that gave me the more confidence, like where uh, you will get all the fundamental knowledge, fundamental to expertise knowledge. So I thought I would be one of the great engine member at the moment, and I will try to go.
So like now I want to know the journey related to your training and all. So you started, you joined. First of all, what was the biggest fear when you're joining NG Networks? When you come to know about the program, and I hope you attended my webinar also, where I explain each and everything. So what was the biggest fear to your mind?
It's all about finding the role, like a job in the networking only. So that is the only thing, and the team told that don't bother about the job or the opportunity. If you are ready and if you are skilled, get skilled, then the job will be finding you and you will get placed. You don't need to find the job. Job will find. So
Good.
that gave me the correct.
Then how was the training part? So you have seen that we have divided the training into the four different steps. So the first comms and technical training started. So how was that first step, the technical training?
Yeah, all the technical trainings, as far as I remember, everything is good and fine. Everything will be improving from you. The first step, it will it will uh, like uh, like going on. You'll get improved from the day to day. So the best part of the training is the real-time training, where we can find the actual issues that we face in the organizations or an enterprise level. So that will help you a lot at all the theoretical part apart, and this is the practical thing where we work on. Uh, so that gave me the most confidence.
And how was the placement part, like when you completed the technical, then the real time, and then reach out to the placement?
The placement part was good. The placement team also encouraged and guided me very well. I used to have lots of doubts and many things. They used to think like our team also used to think like you need more clarity about the placement part because you are a little nervous about this thing. Yes.
So Anudeep, let's say consider me as a student. I really want to join engineering, but I'm scared. The same things running back of my mind. What was running behind the Anudeep's mind. So how do you're going to make me confident that I should go and join NG Networks? Give me your key pointers.
Yeah, when you are nothing, you are feared because you are nothing at the first point. Once you get skilled and learn everything, and when there is a correct guidance and the motivation, when someone is guiding you in a proper way, then that will give you an opportunity. Definitely, that will give you an opportunity, and you don't need to search. You don't need to search like how I got inspired that I don't need to find a job. Job will find me. The same way they will get. It will get.
How come the NG networks can do it? There are hundred of options in the market. Why should I go with the NG networks? What's your point on it?
NG networks will find you the opportunities where others can't. Actually, this is the thing I truly came to know from the NG networks.
And what about the way we have divided the training? That student came with having background, start with the technical, and we teach from the basic to the advanced each and every steps. Then take him to the real time, like you, where we teach how you're going to work into the current environment, what will your day-to-day responsibilities, how you manage the issues, and then we will move you to the placement part. So isn't it connected and making sense to anyone like you?
Yeah, everything is connected. Like from the theoretical parts and the practice on the labs, on the virtual labs, and then on to the real-time issues. Everything is connected, and everything is having some relevance with one and the other part of the training. So each and everything, every part of the training, like it is divided into the different parts, like 2 to 3 parts or 4 parts. Everything will be helpful at the end of the day.
Great. So like you are a candidate who already got placed and having got experience now. So you can tell us the right thing. Like, are we connected whenever you need? Is it easy to connect with the NG networks when you got placed?
Yeah, I got placed about 1 year ago.
Mm-hmm.
And nowhere NG hesitated to respond or hesitated to give support. This is truly, I'm really grateful for. This is the thing. This is the distress when someone asked me where can I go to find my career or to choose my career. Then the first thing I will definitely suggest them to then NG networks.
So what you're doing right now, can you give us a brief, like what's your day-to-day roles and responsibilities? What you do?
Yeah, I placed as a network engineer, and I'm maintaining right now. My role comes to maintain the infrastructure, the enterprise infrastructure, and dealing with the customer requirements and performing all the activities whichever that was assigned to me, and the configuration levels and the security level too. I'm getting involved into, and that is the thing, and I'm able to easily learn in the organization also. That is because of the NGO, because I got the fundamental basics from the NGO, and I'm now.
That's like next question actually. So when you start working, do you find the training, do you find that real time we have given is useful or like is fruitful in your current job profile?
Yeah, that is the most important part when you get into an organization, because that will where you compare the things it will be like you already have faced the issue earlier. That is the thing that will give you the confidence, and you can tackle the real-time issues.
So when you join and we have give you the commitment that we can help you to get in the initial day, that we will give you the surety that we will place you within 6 lakh package and in this and that company. Did we achieve that target?
Yeah, obviously.
Or more than that?
Yeah, sure. We more than that. You can say we achieved more than that.
Nice. So, like, if you want to give a message to your juniors and someone watching your video, what the message you're going to give? What is your message?
When you are choosing the path, you might face many doubts or many fearful. You will get scared of something like when do I get and when I would be getting placed. But the thing is, if you are ready, like you got skilled and you are more confident on what you have learned, then obviously you'll find out, you will be finding the job automatically. The job will get to you and you will crack the interviews. It will be not like Not much as you feared. It was
Yes. You're basically from
Hyderabad.
originally from Hyderabad.
Yeah.
So do you know Hindi as well?
Oh, not that much.
Why the reason to ask this question, because many of the students must have already have that doubt that I don't know Hindi, but you people are from the north, kind of thing they have running back of the mind, how we get study, how we get classes.
Yeah.
Is there any problem in that language? Is there any way the barrier in your training or anything?
No, language is not a barrier. The only thing you need to understand the things.
Yes. Excellent. All you need to do is just give your part best, and then things will be taken place as per the commitment.
Yeah.
Thank you, Anudeep. It was like it was a great experience with you, and I hope that we will find more and more options for you in the future. Stay connected. Thank you for the feedback.
Thank
Bye.
you.